Morning, everybody. I'm on my nature walk. Well, I'm just in the back alley right now. And what do I see? Look at that. Somebody's bike. Somebody stole this bike and left it here. Boy, people, eh? Stealing bikes and just leaving it there. Then there's somebody's shirt. Yeah. Oh, yeah. Yeah. First thing on my nature walk. A stolen bike. Look at it. See down there? Which way should I go? That way? That way? Or this way? I don't know. Maybe I'll go this way today. There's the view. Yeah, it's nice. Look at all the leaves on the ground. All the leaves are changing colors. A little chilly. Or it's not chilly. 7. That's still a little chilly, I guess. You see the piles of leaves on the ground. See? They're all over. Should I go that way or that way? I think I'll go this way. Just to change it. Alright, it's not going to be change spots. Yeah. Nature. Looks like it's going to be a nice day. Oh, there's a dog. He's behind this fence. Yeah. And it's nice, see? Sun is coming out over there. Most leaves fell off the trees already. I think I'll just go down this way, this alley. I'm just gonna switch my arm, see? Okay. There's the back of me. Okay. There's some buildings in the back there. There's the park. I always go down there. There's the bridge over there. The train bridge. Yeah. And here I go. Lots of crows still. Crowing, making noise. I wonder if I should. Oh, I brought some stuff. Pop and chips and all that. I'm gonna leave it somewhere. Like on a bench or somewhere like that. And there's always people around. Just so they could have a drink or something to eat. Because I buy too much chips all the time. I just don't want to throw them away. See who gets them. Because there's lots of people around, wandering around all the time. Yeah, there's lots of little birds out still. Crows. Yeah. I don't know what I'll see today. See, there's the train bridge over there. Do you see it? And I'm going this way. Hey, there's nobody. It's like after 8. Oh, it's Saturday. I guess not too many people on a walk Saturday or keep active or whatever. Hey? But I like doing these videos on YouTube. Nothing bad about them. It's good content. See, look at the park. It's just getting dusk. Or not dusk. Right now it's getting oh, look at all the leaves. Lots of leaves. Oh, I can't show you nothing. See over there, the nice leaves there. Those are nice. Nice color. Some McDonald's stuff laying around. Yeah. People come and eat here. And there's garbage cans all over the place. See, there's the sun. Sun's coming out. Sun is coming out. It's gonna be all right day. Yeah, there's lots of garbage. Oh, here's some, I'll show you this. Look at that. Some water. Some grass. Nothing swimming in today. There's usually little bugs and all that in the water. See, look at that. Beautiful. Hey! The sun. Oh! Beautiful. That was beautiful. I'm going to switch again. So I got all this chips and pop. I just want to leave somewhere for somebody to eat or anybody to take, I guess. See how beautiful it looks? All the leaves are turning yellow, reddish. Over there, somebody knocked a garbage can over. Was it a bear or was it a person? I don't know. You be the judge. There, I'm on the path now. There. Hey. Oh, see, nice sun shining off my face. It's right behind me there. There's the train bridge again. I probably showed you that before. Oh, stepped on a rock. Hey. There's underneath the bridge. See? I'll show you some, at least I'll show you berries and that. See those berries? Red berries. I don't think you could eat them. This looks like a fern. See, there's more berries there. Grass, a tree. I'm going under the bridge. Right under the bridge. There's a big pile of sticks. It's been under the bridge all year. Logs and all that. I don't know if somebody does that, takes them out. Some birds. I don't know if you could see them. Little birds. There's the river. See the river over there? Right in the side of me. Yeah. There's the surroundings. There's the big flag and the boat, all that. Nice walk. I don't know if you can see my breath. It's a little chilly. Just a tiny bit chilly. Yeah. Oh, I'm going to show you these. Just wait. How beautiful these leaves are. All spotted and all that. Okay. Nice colors. See these ones? They're all red and different colors. The nice colors the leaves change in the fall, eh? Yeah. Yeah. There's some hedges. There's a hedge and a tree, another hedge. Here's another hedge. Oh, look at this whole tree. All the stuff on it. That brown like moss or whatever that is. But there's another tree here. Yeah. See this tree? It's got a big crack in it. Here comes a bench. I think I'll leave my stuff on that bench. Somebody will come along and eat it, drink it. There's nothing wrong with it. It's open, but people could still come and eat it and grab it and have a drink if they want. I wonder if they leave it in this bench or that other bench way over there. Or wait, I'll go up further there. See how beautiful it is? The river. There's the path. There's nobody in the park. Wonder what this is. This stuff. It's on all the trees here. Some kind of orange mustard fungus. See, it's on this tree too. This tree right here. It's not too much garbage here this weekend around the park and all that. There's the river. Lots of birds flying up there. I don't know if you could see them. I don't know if they're going south. There's lots of them. Oh, here's a bench. I'm just going to leave a couple here then. Right here. Okay. Here's the bench. There's my bag. I'll show you. I'll leave these chips, and a drink. I'll just leave one. There it is on the bench. There. Okay, it's right there. I'll just leave those right there. Then I'll do the next bench. There's always people, so they'll come and drink it and eat it. There's the water again. Okay, here's the other bench. Oh, coming up. See, here's this bench. There, I left that. See it? I left that on the bench. Just a pop and some chips. Then I'll just leave on this bench. I'll leave one more. I don't know which bench, that one or that one. I'll just leave it on this bench. Hey, I left a little more. I left the chips, a pop, a egg sandwich, and chips. There. That's my good deed of the week. Hope somebody enjoys those. Yeah. That's a good picture of the river there. Hey. It goes all the way down, way down there. That's where it came. See the bridge and the train bridge. Yeah. Now think, oh, look at that. Always put your garbage in the garbage, not on the ground. Okay? Yeah, always put it in the garbage. I'll just take you through this part and show you from this thing. This thing. It's supposed to be like a tourist thing. People wrecked it and all that. There's their view, the river. There's some birds, little birds, and there's a good view of the bridge. You see the bridge over there? Then the sun's peeking out there still. Yeah, it's gonna be a nice day. Nice day. I think I'll just do a couple more minutes and then that'll be my nature walk. I didn't go in the bush or in the forest today. I have to start doing that. Just going even half an hour or 20 minutes into the, just see what we could see. See these ones didn't change yet, these leaves. I'll go this way. I'll go down. There's the sun again. Nice sun. Yeah, I'll just go down here. There. I'm heading that way. Maybe I'll switch hands again. There. There the sun's coming out. I don't know if I take good videos. I'm not sure. Oh, I remember these as a kid. What I'll show you. See, there's a whole bunch here. See these things? I remember playing with these as a kid. It's got a purple and green. It's about that big. Yeah. Yeah, they look nice. Hey. Oh, and these things. Well, I remember playing with these as a kid, but they were green. They're kind of long. They got that hard, but they were green when we used to pull them out of the ground. See, there's a bunch. Yeah. And there's an old log. Look at that. Here's a close-up. Nothing living in it. Everything's dead. Look, a bunch of holes. Okay. I'll take a view with the nice sun. Yeah, that's my nature walk today. Okay, bye. Saturday. Bye. Have a good Saturday. Bye.